Hi, I am Carwin from grade 3 Camnia. Today we're doing rice ball tuna with seaweeds. Our first ingredients is rice. Our second is tuna, my favorite. Our third ingredient is sesame seed with oil. Our last is seaweed. Our first step is tuna. Put tuna in the rice and mix. Second, put the sesame seeds with oil and mix. Go. Last is seaweeds and mix. Now we are ready to form a rice ball. Get the spoon and scoop the rice. Now put it on your palm and roll or make a ball. Now we have a tuna rice ball. Enjoy!